In this video, I will show you how to cancel LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. So to get started, go ahead and open LinkedIn on your device and then click on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. And the sidebar will open up for your application. Now in here, click on the settings button, which you'll find at the bottom left. And then on the settings page, go ahead and head over into the account preference tab. Go ahead and click on that, and then in here go ahead and scroll down and you'll find the subscriptions and payments. So on the LinkedIn application, you can actually renew your subscription, but only on the Google Play Store is where you can cancel your subscription. So go ahead and open Google Play Store, click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, and then click on subscriptions and payments. Now in here, head over to subscriptions, click on your LinkedIn subscription, and then at the bottom of your screen, you'll be able to find a cancel subscription button. So go ahead and click on that and then confirm canceling your subscription.